I'm pleased to be joined in the studio today by Dr. Yemi, a urologist with Faith Regional Physician Services Urology in Norfolk. And today we're going to be talking about fusion MRI prostate biopsy. So, Dr. Yemi, what is that?
Well, fusion MRI prostate biopsy is basically innovation on an old way of diagnosing prostate cancer to allow us to more accurately detect suspicious lesions in the prostate that would then allow us to give better treatments to the patients and so that they can get a better results from their prostate cancer. It involves the traditional biopsy of the prostate, but we also use MRI to try and find highly suspicious lesions which can only be picked up by the MRI. And then we kind of combine that with the ultrasound imaging that we're doing at the time of the prostate biopsies. That then gives us some target lesions, which we can then target to try and get the tissue. And so that way, if there are any lesions that are suspicious in the prostate, we most likely have picked them up, and that would allow us to accurately diagnose prostate cancer and thus treat and help the patients.
I see. So is it rather new technology or just a blend of a couple of things I think you mentioned?
Well, it's a blend of technology that already exists. It doesn't cause any more discomfort or pain to the patient. It just means that the patient does have to have the MRI before we do the prostate biopsies. And the way that it then works out is that when I'm doing my ultrasound, we'll be able to have the images of the MRI superimposed on the ultrasound. And it actually gives me like round circles that tells me where my targets are for me to be able to aim my biopsy needle to get accurate tissue so that we can diagnose the prostate cancer better.
That would be easy to see how it would be better for the patient.
Absolutely, yes. Correct.
Well, thank you for sharing that with us today. We appreciate it.
Well, thank you very much for inviting me today.
You bet. To learn more about clinic locations, specialties, and providers, visit frpsclinics.org.